Hey, Shane Thomas here. Today we're going to do some more reviews on the Partner with Anthony program starting at session 13. And as always, if you'd like to hit the subscribe button, notifications so you know when the new videos are coming out, and of course, please leave me a comment. All right, let's get into this. Session 13. This is where we're really starting to get into the real meat of the whole Partner with Anthony program, in my opinion, anyway. How to get that marketing out there, make sure you're getting some leads coming in. What we're starting with here, what's in session 13, is he's reviewing YouTube marketing, how to do YouTube marketing, getting your products out there. It's very easy to start a YouTube channel. You can Google that, and you can have a YouTube channel up and running in a couple of minutes. He gets into creating videos. Now the videos are very straightforward. It's the same thing I'm doing right now. You can make this type of video and post it to YouTube and start that progress, getting subscribers and getting people to comment and like your pages. That's very important. Now, one thing that's awesome with this program here with the Partner with Anthony is he's got a little section here to upload and optimize your video. So you can upload it to a Partner with Anthony program, generates a list where other people can look at your video. We kind of help each other, or they help each other out by liking and subscribing, and builds up a bit of a following, which helps the algorithm with YouTube get into promoting your videos, and then they start feeding you some more organic uh, people, to checking out your ads. So it's not just the people on Partner with Anthony. Make sure putting in comments and engagements. That's very important, that you want to do with everybody's videos that you're putting in. Make comments, and it's very important once you've launched that video, if someone leaves you a comment, is to make sure to go back and reply to that comment, whether you like it or just hit the like button, or if you want to actually make a few comments on it and reply to them. That again shows that YouTube, that you are a creator, you're putting regular content out there, and that way they're going to feed you more organic leads as well. So that's again, that's pretty important to get into. So that's basically what session 13 is covering. Again, like I was saying before, all this content is so incredible that you're getting for, that someone's going to get for $7. You just can't beat this. So when we get into session 14 now, um, we're into the success connection. That's the web page or Facebook group that is so informative. This is something that is just not another Facebook group. You got to get in there, and there's so many people answering questions. There's people above you that have been in Success Connect or in Partner with Anthony before longer, so they can answer some of your questions. And you might be in the middle or new. You can answer some questions for some people that are down below you, and of course use the resources of the people that have been in it longer. Student funnels, those are funnels that the people build on Success Connection. This is where they build the done for you businesses that you can download and sell as your own. It's not a problem there, and it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of really good process. And there's contests that Anthony does on Success Connection as well. And you can get a few benefits here and there. Uh, and what you really want to do is you want to post more YouTube videos. You want to try and keep up. I would say at least try and put one a week. Some people are trying to do two and three, and that's great. If the more you put out there, the more followers, subscribers that you're going to get in the long run, and the more comments. And again, YouTube is going to pay you back with more visits from other prospects. The other thing about this is something that I've heard is if you're re- recording videos on a regular basis, once you get into about that 100 video mark, seems to the algorithm for YouTube really seems to connect a lot more, and that's when you're going to start seeing things. I wouldn't say go viral, but where you're getting lots more comments. So that's this is key here. This is I mean this is a freebie that I'm on there every day. Most people are on there every day, and it's just extraordinary the amount of information and things that you can get going. So again, post the videos, get onto Success Connection, uh, and try out the funnels, try out the done for you businesses. Just fantastic information. Seeing I'm kind of going a little quicker today, I'm going to try and get a couple of more sessions posted up in here. So what we're got in here in session 15 is we're expanding your marketing. There's different ways to do your marketing. There's YouTube, there's Instagram, there's other organic ways. There's solo ads, Facebook ads, so many different methods that you can bring in free traffic or paid traffic as well on the Partner with Anthony program. Anthony has already done up some Facebook ads for you that you can use. These are good examples of a way to model. You don't necessarily have to copy them, but you can model them. And copying isn't exactly all that great. It's good to model stuff and make it very similar because then it's going to be productive and it's going to get you there. The marketing plan, Anthony explains exactly what you want to do with the marketing plan. Again, you want to have a schedule, you want to have a plan out there. You just don't want to do this stuff willy-nilly. You want to get out there and get it done, get those prospects, get those leads coming in. um, you know ultra important, and just great explanations on here. So that's in with 15. Session 16, I'll finish this one off for the day and then let you know a little bit. Now, Anthony does a lot of case studies in session 16. Is basically he's telling the stories of what's worked for him, how he's done it, different methods of, and you can apply this to your business if you're doing affiliate marketing, or you're trying to do books, or he even gets into talking about the condos where he likes to live in Destin, Florida, and he rents some out for short-term rentals, and putting all that together. What do you want to do? How do you want to do it? There's just so much information here, and you got to do this stuff step by step. Read it, listen to it, uh, use it, and then move on to the next step. The worst thing you can do is just try and rifle through this from session 1 to session 30 and listen to it all, and then try and implement it. You really need to implement this stuff as you're going. So that is, that I think that is really the biggest key, because a lot of people they'll just buy a program and they'll look at it and say, okay, I'm going to go through all this stuff and then I'm going to finish it. And then once I get that finished, then I'll start the program and I'll start implementing it and doing all that stuff, and I'm going to be a success. You miss too many steps. There's too many little things that you need to get done along the way. And that's why it's so important to make sure that you get each step done before you move on to the next one. That's my big tip for the day. So watch for my next video. Again, subscribe, leave me some comments, hit the notification button, and I will see you in the next videos that I do. In the meantime, you have a great day.